Get behind the wheel of a Toyota, put your foot down, and something strange happens. You feel it. A subtle pause. A shift. Almost like the car just clicked into a new gear. But here's the problem. This isn't a car with a traditional gearbox. It's electric, or at least electrified. Electric motors don't shift. They don't need to. So why does it feel like something inside just changed gears? Is it a glitch? Some leftover engineering habit nobody bothered to remove? Not even close. What you're feeling is deliberate. Toyota engineered it that way, on purpose, and it's one of the quietest, most brilliant tricks in modern car design. By the end of this, you'll understand exactly why an electric vehicle would fake something it doesn't even have, and you'll understand why that decision says a lot about where the entire car industry is headed. Let's start with the feeling itself, because that's where this mystery begins. If you've driven any normal EV before, you know the signature sensation. Power arrives instantly. No lag, no stepping. Just one smooth, continuous pull that keeps building the longer you keep your foot down. That's just how electric motors work. No revs to build. No narrow power band to stay inside. One motor, one gear ratio. Constant, seamless delivery. So when a car suddenly feels like it's stepping through invisible gears, that breaks the entire rule. Electric driving is supposed to follow. Picture this. You're sitting at a red light. It turns green. You press the pedal down, expecting that flat, glass-smooth EV pull. Instead, right around that first surge of speed, you feel it. A tiny hesitation. A little kick. Almost like an invisible hand just grabbed second gear. Your brain does something interesting in that moment. It searches for an explanation. A transmission. A malfunction. Something mechanical that must be happening under the floor. But there's nothing there. And that's exactly the illusion we need to unpack. So here's the real question. If there's no gearbox, no clutch, nothing mechanical shifting at all, where's that sensation actually coming from? The answer is software. At specific moments during acceleration, the car's control system briefly, deliberately cuts torque delivery, just for a fraction of a second. That tiny interruption creates the exact same physical sensation your body feels during a real gear change in a traditional automatic. Right after that dip, power comes rushing back in, and your body reads it as a shift. In some of the more advanced versions of this technology, it doesn't stop there. Engineers layer in synthetic sound, engineered engine notes that rise and fall like a car climbing through real gears. The pedal response is tuned to match. Even the dashboard can display a simulated gear number, ticking upward exactly on cue. Torque, sound, pedal feel, visual feedback, all four perfectly synchronized, all controlled entirely by code. Now, it's worth being precise here, because this isn't something baked into every single Toyota hybrid on the road today. The ECVT system found in most Toyota hybrids, the hybrid synergy drive setup, creates its own version of a shifting sensation, but that comes mostly from how the system blends the gasoline engine and electric motors together, not from software deliberately faking a gear change. The real intentional gear shift illusion, the one we're talking about, comes from a different piece of engineering entirely. Toyota has openly developed and demonstrated simulated manual transmission technology for electric vehicles. A system designed specifically to replicate the feeling and even the sound of rowing through gears on a car that mechanically has none at all. That's the version of this trick that's genuinely mind-bending, because it means Toyota built a fake stick shift for a car that never needed one. Now here's where it gets philosophical for a second, and stick with me, because this part actually explains the whole reason any of this exists. A perfectly smooth, perfectly linear acceleration curve, technically ideal on paper, can actually feel wrong to a human driver. We're wired for a certain rhythm, small pauses, slight steps, subtle changes in engine note as speed builds. More than a century of driving gasoline cars trained our brains to expect that rhythm. Take it away completely and something strange happens. The car can start to feel hollow, distant, like you're just a passenger gliding along while the machine does its own thing underneath you. So Toyota didn't just build the fastest, smoothest, most efficient way to deliver power. They built a way to make you feel like you're still driving. And that's not just clever marketing psychology. It's rooted in something deeper, how your brain actually processes the experience of speed. Your perception of acceleration isn't purely mechanical. It's multisensory. Your brain fuses together what you hear, what you feel through the pedal on the seat, and what you see on the dashboard into one single unified event. When Toyota's engineers sync a torque dip, a synthetic exhaust note, and a shifting number on the display, all in the same split second, your brain doesn't process three separate signals. It merges them into one story, a gear change. Even though mechanically nothing changed at all, your brain quite literally invents a gearbox that isn't there. Which raises the obvious question. If part of the experience is fake, does that fakery come with a cost? Does it hurt performance, reliability, efficiency? The answer, refreshingly, is no. There's no extra clutch pack hiding in there, no added gear sets, no new mechanical components sitting around waiting to wear out or fail years down the road. The motor still operates exactly the way a normal single-speed electric motor does. Performance stays essentially identical to a version of the car without any of the simulation running. Efficiency barely moves because those torque interruptions are brief, precise, and entirely digital, not the result of mechanical loss. In other words, Toyota gets to have it both ways. All the simplicity and long-term reliability of an electric drivetrain, wrapped in a driving feel that's instantly familiar to anyone who grew up rowing through actual gears. And Toyota isn't alone in chasing this idea. Hyundai's Ioniq 5N takes it even further, with simulated gear shifts, an artificial rev limiter, and fake engine sound piped through the speakers, all as a core part of how the car is marketed to enthusiasts. Lexus has quietly explored similar simulated transmission behavior in some of its own electrified models too. What we're really watching is an entire industry rethinking what a driving experience even means once the engine disappears. For most of automotive history, a car's personality came almost entirely from its hardware, displacement, gear ratios, suspension tuning, metal, moving in specific physical ways. Today, a massive part of that personality is written in code. The way a car accelerates, the way it sounds, the way it responds under your foot. All of it can now be programmed, adjusted, and completely reinvented without touching a single physical part. The mechanics still matter, of course, they always will, but increasingly they're just the foundation. The actual feeling, the one you notice, the one that makes you smile or second-guess yourself at a red light. That's something engineers now design on purpose, layer by layer, line by line. So let's go back to where we started. That subtle, shifting sensation, the one that seems to contradict everything you know about how electric cars are supposed to feel. It was never a hidden transmission. There's no secret gearbox clicking away beneath the floor. It's a carefully engineered illusion, built out of torqued timing, synthetic sound, and perfectly choreographed feedback. But here's the part worth remembering. Toyota isn't chasing nostalgia for its own sake. They're trying to make electric driving feel human again, connected again, alive again. The next time you think you feel a gear change in an electric car, remember this. You might not be feeling mechanics at all. You might be feeling software, and that one simple idea tells you almost everything about where the automotive industry is heading next.